Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these orchid earrings from cold porcelain clay. I first begin by drawing the shape of the petals on a scrap piece of carton and cutting it out. I then flatten some handmade clay and use the template to cut out the shape of the flower. I use a little powder here so that the template does not stick to the clay. I do the same for the other earring as well. After cutting out the petals, I bend them forwards. Here I freehand the smaller parts of the flower. I then stick both these onto the petal with the help of some glue. To help the flower dry with the petals bending forward, I use scrap clay underneath the petals. Once all this is dry, I paint a yellow base color all over the flower. I then take an orangish yellow color and dab some all over the flower. I also dab off any excess with a piece of tissue. I also use a reddish orange color on the edges of the petal. I use the last color to paint the veins on the petal. I then color the inner parts of the flower with a pinkish orange color. I use bluish tones to shade the sides and finally add in white for the center and white on the edges. As a side note, I also wanted to know if you all would be interested in miniature clay food videos. If yes, let me know in the comments, and also what food dishes you all would like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Marielouclayart for more such content.